she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone starts to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yeah, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes.